The people that caused you a lot of pain, the people that harmed you, whether it's mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, the people that caused chaos in your life. Out of 5 of them, how much of them is really, really, really happy, prospering? Prospering as in high increments on a monthly basis, moving forward at a real steady pace, gaining and achieving all their goals while maintaining a balanced family life, a balanced love life, and a good financial state. How much of them are actually um, oscillating in that frequency? Not much. If not, none of them. It might seem like that, but none of them probably has made that significant shift. Well, one person has, and that's you. You see, the shift is not on the outside, because that can be lost anytime. That can just blow away with the wind. It's here today, tomorrow it could be gone, because life unfolds according to how you play your cards, and you've played your cards, and you've shifted. You're totally not the same person like you were not so long ago, and that's major. So when you gain material stability, when you stabilize yourself, it's something that will be phenomenal, because obviously it will surpass all of those people, because believe you me, they're still in the same mind state. They still haven't changed. Not a bit, if not even gotten worse. These types of people don't change. They hide behind a mask. They try to forever hold up that mask until someone like you comes around to set an example. And until then, they will be experiencing the same situations, the same scenarios, same old, same old. But you're a trailblazer. So you are going to break and shatter that illusion of false perception they have of reality, and show them what God can do for you.